If you have this multimeter and your multimeter is doing some funny business, then you can fix it. It's very easy. So you can see, yeah, it's doing really bad, but it's clingy. So how can you fix it? Okay, first open it up. It has two screws in the back. Then gently pull it back and look, you are inside. Open up your probes, then start opening the circuit board. Before you have to pull out your battery, then you have to disassemble this circuit board. It has three screws right here, and right here. Just screw it up. You have to open all those three screws. After that, be gentle and don't lose anything. First you have to pull these things very slowly out, and very slowly lift this thing up. You have to pull very gently, otherwise it will be a mess. You can't find some sensitive parts. What sensitive parts do you ask? Yes, I will tell you. Right under this there were two ball bearings, right here, another one is here, I guess. So you don't want to lose them. So slowly lift this thing up, and you can see there is no ball bearing. Those fake Chinese. Yes, it has. Look, there is. You don't have to lose these. Those are held by these holders, and these also has some spring inside, so they hold those bearings up and make it stable and clingy. Every time you click, it makes sound, so you have to gentle. Then gently put this on. Don't try to do this anything with this bit, because that's the display. So what is your problem? Yes, your problem is right here. This whole pad is getting rusted. You may say corrosion might happen, some oxide layer or something. So what you will have to do is take a contact cleaner, like so, like this kind of contact cleaner. I have put it on this kind of bottle, and spread it out everywhere, because those are rotating parts, so they are always can get very rusty. Then brush off the contact cleaners. You can add kerosene. If you don't have contact cleaners, you can use petrols, diesels, other, but don't